Frankston-born street artist Adrian Doyle wanted to create a piece exploring the importance of homes in society. From the humblest of shelters to the castle on the hill, the home is an important figure in every person's life. I was given a large wall with creative freedom, and this was a great opportunity to play with the idea of creating fine art in a street art context, Doyle said about his work. Having grown up in Frankston, with suburbia being a large component of my conceptual obsession, I wanted to create an artwork that was an honest critique of the suburban dream. Over the last 16 years, Doyle has played a key role in the Australian fine art and street art scene, with his work extending from solo exhibitions to large-scale commissioned public art and installations. With many major awards under his belt, including the Martin Bequest, Australia Council and the Pratt family, Doyle has exhibited internationally and is in public and private collections worldwide, including the National Gallery of Australia and VCA.